Hi, Doy. Just give us an update on the Pella Fiber construction outside. Obviously, it's winter and things have slowed down, so tell us what we can expect.
Hey, Keita, just a heads up. Obviously, the weather has turned cold, the ground is frozen, it's too cold to dig, so we are focusing on a lot of the inside work that we have to do. Large buildings around town, they'll be able to get inside and get that inside work done. If you had a drop that you were waiting on to get done this year, you'll probably have to wait until spring. Right now we have a tentative date of March the 15th. All of that, of course, is totally weather related.